Sometimes we are wanderers outdoors to escape becoming befuddled by the pressures of life. Movement that is too fast for our own understanding. A sonic light speed of modern civilization, and sometimes we need to slow down and take it all in and focus on what is distinct. Sometimes in life, we need to stop to smell the air, see the trees sway in the breeze, and reflect on who we are. Part of recreating outdoors is to locate oneself amongst the big blue of the world, whether that be our own character, morals, or failures. The surrealism outdoors provides that benefit to find yourself. There is something to be had when listening to the sound of nature. The bird song amongst canopies is distinct, whereby birds, like other animals, communicate as a part of connection to their own as well as others. Of course, a connection by communication teaches the wanderer that he must communicate what needs to be said, to express thought to a vocal symphony. This is the sound of nature. Plants represent to the outdoor recreationist the balance in nature, how various plants cohesively dwell amongst others. Some benefit another, some benefit only themselves, leeching the life force from others. Wanderer reflects this observation as the essence of nature, that if we don't help ourselves, then how could we help engage with others? The grandeur of the trees represent a rooted foundation of nature. The root systems deeply embedded in the earth, solidifying the connection to the world. The creaking of canopies vocalize the tree's connection, a medium to represent time spent outdoors. Wanderer realizes this fact as he slowly pulls his hand away from the tree trunk, the foundation of nature. Ceaseless in its nature, water flows, swirling back and forth in the pool, back and forth from wanderer's hands. Without shape or form, it is ever flowing towards a destination, the direction as it flows unquestionably down the creek. Like the blood of nature, we question ourselves what the purpose of being outdoors recreating amongst nature. Flushing into the mud, semi-violent opposition towards forward movement. Tree roots spread like a wildfire in all their tangled glory. Obstacles amongst the trail that lays ahead. Like being on a hiking trail, life has many obstacles to overcome. One must step over, one must give in while dodging fluidly around others. One affords himself no choice but to overcome what lay ahead in order to answer his question. Why are we wanderers? He has noticed the answer to his question has laid in the makeup of what is in nature. As he cooks his food of respite for the day, he gazes amongst the wandering skies, beyond his own vision of the horizon. He has understood that we are wanderers because we seek escapism, to recollect great times being outdoors, to express or alter our mood. This is the oneness of nature. To solidify a connection to the world, to become in tune with what is happening around us, the shape of our character that defines who we are in nature. We are wanderers for many reasons, and there is no one solid answer.